bunk bed has a ladder, 2 guardrails, 2 footboards, 2 headboards, and 2 slat rails. The guardrails and ladder are held on by a bracket and 2 screws. Remove the brackets and take off the guardrails and ladder. There are 4 metal connection sleeves that run in between the footboards and headboards. With the second person, unbunk the bed. You'll need to lift up about 3 inches to clear the connection sleeves. Remove the connection sleeves. You now have 1 bed that has 2 headboards and 1 bed that has 2 footboards. Swap one of the headboards with a footboard. You'll need a rubber mallet. Tap up from underneath on the slat rails to loosen them. The beds are held together with gravity. There are no screws or bolts needed to build the 2 standalone twin beds.